How to set a song as your ringtone on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily set a song as your ringtone on Android. So first thing what you can do is simply head over to your music and just click on any of the music just like this. For example, I want this music which I already selected as my ringtone on my Android device. So first thing, just click on this three dot icon once you're inside here and just click on the set as option. You will see there's option to set it as your phone ringtone, color ringtone, alarm tone. So just click on phone ringtone for now since we are doing it for our ringtone. And you can also set its selection part, like from the if you want the song from the beginning or only selecting the highlighted part of your particular song, or completely customizing the highlighting part just like this by simply playing on the selected part. So once you like or the choice of your song selection, just click on done. And you can also set your phone ringtone for different SIM card if you use more than one SIM card. So just like that, simply click on SIM in which you prefer to that ringtone, and that is exactly how you can easily set a song as your ringtone on Android. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.